Welcome to the RFP Plus tutorial on how to add your vendors. Let's get started. Once you have been given administrative access to RFP Plus, you will likely want to start by adding in your vendors. This can be done in one of two ways. The first option is that we can import your vendors via an Excel-style spreadsheet. If you would like to import your vendors, please contact our customer support and they'll be happy to provide you with next steps. The other option is to add them in manually. To do this, you will need to first navigate to the Settings drop-down menu at the upper right-hand corner of your admin dashboard. From there, you will select Vendor Management. This will bring up a separate window with the Vendor Management console. To add a vendor, you will start by selecting the blue Add a Vendor button on the upper left-hand corner. From here, you can easily add in your vendor's contact details and even set automated insurance expiration reminders to go out to them. Select the Vendor Categories tab to assign your vendors into categories for easy filtering and searching while creating and tracking the RFP. If you do not have categories set up, please refer to the tutorial video on creating custom categories and RFPs. Once the vendor has been added, you will want to assign one or more contacts for that vendor. Select the vendor from your list and you will see a staff and triage area to the right. Select the Add button and it will let you add in the staff member's details. If working with multiple staff at a vendor, you can also assign primary and secondary contacts. When creating the RFP, these contacts will be selectable to assign the ticket to, with the primary being selected by default. RFP Plus is built at the enterprise level and also has the ability to accommodate multiple companies. The Companies section gives you the ability to specify specific vendors to work with certain companies or entities. The Sets area even lets you create groupings of vendors that can be easily assigned to work with any company within your database. This concludes the tutorial overview on adding vendors into RFP Plus.